moving day. Professional mover. Okay. Lift with your legs. More stuff. Oh, I should have got the before of the living room. You can go check on Klay. He's in the backyard. Are you okay? You stressed? We're almost done. Hey. We're almost done.
Because that tape's gonna leave some stuff on it.
It's just Jenn says doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Oh, coming along.
Jen, do you have
That's all the same.
Do the, I guess the heavier ones on the bottom. Like stuff with stuff in it.
Oh, these ones don't have anything in it.
Oh, none of them. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wait, here, Jen. One more.
Moving day! Moving day! Moving day! Moving day!
Oh no, the backs of your shoes.
Is this
It's
gonna
okay.
be attached?
Oh shoot,
My bad.
Maybe.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, it's for my filming.
For your what?
Klay,
For your what?
are you anxious? Moving day!
It's moving day. It's moving day.
Empty-ish.
Are you reading this plastic thing?
Oh, he still needs this. You need a box for his hats. He
Oh yeah,
needs
I'm
that
gonna...
tonight. Okay. What about the 24 lead?
We're all moved out.
Almost done.
Oh, the bed's staying here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Empty. Pretty much.
Basketball.
Goodbye, room.
Go to town hall.
Where'd all the furniture go? Look, there's so much room. Wait, where you going? Where'd everything go? Ah, it's Saturday. We'll be back on Monday to work, but still, it's sad. Goodbye. What happened? Where'd everything go?
You have so much room now to do nothing. Should probably take this sheet off.
We're gonna take you to our new home later. Goodbye, stuff. See you there. Ready? On our way to our house.
Oh, so heavy.
Almost done.
Moving. Sorry.
Are you happy you passed on your job? Your one job. Proof that I moved something.
Whoa. It was me falling, almost dying.
Oh. I caught you! You want to go, Jenn, now?
Yeah.
In and out. Yes.
Oh, we're just gonna dump it and then we'll go later?
Yeah. Just up.
Thank you.
It's almost empty. My childhood blanket. Look who we have. We're gonna go to our home now, Klay. Get to see it for the first time. You ready? We're gonna go to our new home. You ready, Klay?
Yes. It says yes.
Whippy! Whippy! Yippee!
Whippy.
Whippy! We're gonna go to our new home. Are you nervous? Are you excited? Confused?
No words?
No words. Hope you like our new home.
It's cold.
You like this window? Hmm? Do you like it? Klay's first meal in the house. Messy.
Clayton off the floor.
First meal at the house. Boiling crab.
For you? Medium's hot.
You got medium?
Here's some napkins.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Cheers. Cheers.
Klay.
Hello, Sleepy. What you watching? This guy's knocked out. For you.
Day 2 in the house. And you're already on the bed. How dare you? How do you feel now that we're all moved in?
We're not moving in yet.
Well, we moved yesterday. My family stayed the night and we did more shopping. It's never ending shopping.
Still more shopping.
Still more shopping.
Just
We
signed
did
up
grown-up
for-
things.
Oh. We just signed up for a Costco membership again.
Woohoo! Oh, I have to go show you what I got today. My favorite Costco purchase of the day. This plushie has a good weight to it, and it's squishy, and it's super, super soft, and it's so cute. Click Klay for comparison. You guys have similar ears. Peel it off. Brand new. They can click some foot. He's still asleep under the blankets. Our rug arrived with no couch still.
Slowly but surely.
Slowly but surely is our place coming together. And our sheets arrived. We ordered the Casa Luna Linen Blend Duvet cover set in white. So excited. Comforter's still not here, so we just have the cover for now.
Hello. Excuse me.
Oh, he unrolled it.
Unroll it.
Go, keep going.
Go.
Keep going.
Oh. It's a lot of treasure.
What is it?
First meal that we're cooking in our new home, and I'm gonna make a HelloFresh meal that we had previously, which was salmon with potatoes and zucchini. Our first cooked meal.
Thanks for dinner.
You're welcome. Dinner number 2. What are you making?
Some steak. Try not to burn it.
Smells so good. And I'm making Benihana style fried rice.
Do you need that?
No. Actually, I do. And the finished product.